If you've ever received an important voice message on Telegram but wished you could read it instead of listening, today's tutorial is exactly what you need. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to quickly and easily convert any audio message you get in Telegram into clear, readable text with the help of a handy bot. It's a simple process, and I'll guide you through every step, making sure nothing stands in your way. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is find a transcription bot inside Telegram. These bots are like your own digital assistants, quietly working in the background to convert speech to text. The one I recommend is called troubleshooting. Just type that into the Telegram search bar at the top of the app. If for some reason that bot isn't available in your region, don't worry. There are other similar transcription bots you can try. Look for ones with good ratings or user feedback so you know you're getting a reliable service. Once you've found their troubleshooting bot, go ahead and tap on it to open the chat. At the bottom of the screen, you should see a start button. Go ahead and press that. Think of this as introducing yourself to the bot and giving it permission to interact with you. This one little tap is essential because bots won't work with you until you give them the green light. Now it's time for the main event. Forwarding your audio message. Head back to the chat where you received that audio note, the one you'd like to convert. Find the specific voice message and press and hold on it for a moment. Don't worry if you've never forwarded a message before. Telegram makes this super straightforward. After that long press, you should see a menu pop up. Look for the forward arrow icon, which is usually near the top or bottom of this menu. When you tap the forward arrow, you'll be asked where you want to send the message. Just select the transcription bot you started earlier. It really is as simple as sending a voice memo to a helpful friend for translation. If you're worried you might forward the wrong message, take a moment and double-check before sending. It's better to be sure. As soon as you forward the audio, the bot gets to work. In most cases, within a few seconds, or a bit longer if it's a lengthy message, you'll see a new text message appear from the bot. This will be the written version of what was said in the original audio. There's no need to refresh or repeat anything, just wait for the magic to happen. If the bot is taking a little while, maybe because the message is long or the servers are busy, don't stress. Just be patient and the text will appear soon. That's really all there is to it. Now you can copy the transcribed text, save it for your records, or share it with others, making voice messages more accessible than ever. This trick can be a game changer if you're in a meeting, in a noisy place, or just prefer reading to listening. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. It really supports the channel. Have any questions or want to share your experience with Telegram bots? Drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help out. And if you want more super useful tutorials just like this, make sure you subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.